Let me also bring on board one more analyst. Siddharth Purohit joins us. And Siddharth, there's nothing wrong with the top line, but at the margin level, there is a bit of a stress. Is this largely because of operational issues, or this is largely because of realizations?
See, if you look at even the volumes have been not up to the mark what we were expecting. And secondly, if you observe, then possibly realization was no doubt. I mean, there was a possibility that some part of the country saw stable pricing, whereas some of south and all saw some kind of also pressure in some part of the geography. So possibly what I believe is that the numbers have really not been that great if you look at volumes as well as both margins. I was expecting little better numbers both on the top line as well as in the margins front.
Siddharth, what's the volume figure that you're working with? Because we don't have the details here of the volume performance.
I think you said it is declining by 1%, but I was of a view that possibly they will be in a position to report around 4 to 5% kind of growth. That is what my expectation was. But possibly that extended monsoon and then flooding in some part of the southern markets could have impacted the volume. That's what I feel. And anyway, your operating cost also
higher volumes by about 1 to 4% on a year-on-year basis. But what about realizations? Considering north and central regions have seen a price uptick, so over there should be a beat.
Sorry.
I'm talking about realizations. What's the number that you're working with? Because we're expecting an improvement of about almost 6 rupees per bag.
See, realization also we were, expecting that it should be more or less marginally positive. We were not expecting any decline because some part of the country had seen stable pricing, and there was much more pricing discipline in the last 2 quarters, particularly last quarter also. So we are not expecting any major change in relations, and maybe in a positive bias we are expecting. But what my sense is that what could have disappointed is that fixed cost might have gone up. I need to check all the details numbers because I am not having the details with me right now. But I believe that that if sales number is really not up to the mark, then it's a bit concern because every quarter we expect that volume should pick up, but it is actually not happening for the entire industry. And UltraTech being the largest player should have reported a much stronger volume growth, which doesn't seem to have come up. So that's a point of worry. We need to listen, what is laid ahead for the next 2 quarters, because we all have been hearing that possibly higher infra spending and all should kick in, and that should lead to volume growth. But that is actually really not reflecting in a big way in any of the numbers so far, even in last quarter also. So we really need to check the numbers, and
Siddharth, appreciate the time. Thank you for that quick instant analysis. Volume growth is poor, but that could be because of monsoon. That also could be because of the fact that this time monsoon they started late and they've extended extended themselves. I mean, it rained in Mumbai even in the first week of October. And since UltraTech has a very large south base and parts of Western India, delayed rainfall